Scroll lang sa TikTok until we finally met. Your laugh popped up on my screen, a moment I'll never forget. Wala man kasing-kasing, kani mo nahulog yun. Bisan screen ray gunitan, this love started to overflow, nagsugod. Parehong something from the pains of yesterday. Mga luha o kasakit, we finally thrown them away. Kaysa imong mga chat and the way you always smile, nakaplaganan ang pahulay. You make it all worthwhile. Layo man ang distansya, with oceans in between, but our love has no walls, the strongest I've ever seen. Dili sa'yo nang maghulat, kami nga was always there, but I'll endure the longing, because for you I truly care. Puhon palangga, magapodera ang atong dalan, ihalad sa Ginoo kining atong paghinigugmaay. I hope it's you and me until the end of time. Bisan pag naay lalis, through every mountain we climb. Masaad ko kanimo, we will never drift apart. Bisan paglayo ta, you're always in my heart. Distance is just a test, it won't pull us apart. Agwanta lang gamay, soon I'll be holding